In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the benefits of working with dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. I have previously opened up my tool palette, and I can click and drag blocks from the tool palette into my drawing. Notice that these icons all have lightning bolts in front of them. This indicates that they are dynamic blocks. A dynamic block is one that has some additional actions applied to it, like maybe it can rotate, change its scale, stretch some things out, or completely change its visibility altogether. I'm going to start with the door, click on it, and then click to place it in my drawing, and then we'll take a closer look at it. On a standard block, I'll insert a copy of the door 36-inch here. A standard block has one grip. A dynamic block can have several. If I take a look at each of these, I have one little grip that will allow me to change the door jamb size. I have another one that allows me to change the size of the door itself. Another one that allows me to change how far the door is opened. Then I have a couple of flip grips that allow me to quickly mirror the door as well. Let's take a look at another example. I'm going to bring the toilet in here. And as you can see, this one is in elevation view. I need to change it to plan view. So I'll select the toilet, click the drop down here, and then choose the elongated plan view of the toilet. Next, if I want to rotate the toilet, I have a rotation grip that I can select and take me straight into the rotate command. Alternatively, I can use the alignment grip. The alignment grip will simply align the object to any line that I hold my mouse over. So as you can see, if I come into any wall, the toilet will automatically rotate to meet that wall. So in this case, I'll go ahead and place it in the bathroom here. Or maybe I'll come up and place a copy here instead. And again, you can see each time that it aligns to the appropriate wall. That's just a sampling of possible ways that we can manipulate dynamic blocks. Once again, the dynamic block is characterized by a lightning bolt in its icon, and when I insert a dynamic block, it's going to have more than just the insertion point grip. It could have several other grips that allow us to manipulate it in many different ways. That concludes this look at manipulating dynamic blocks in AutoCAD.